Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to another session of yoga with me, Krishna, Chaitanya, Dasi. I hope you're all doing well. Today I thought I'd work on a hip opener and also want to build full body strength. So we're going to make a start by just warming up the bodies. If you'd like, just come into standing position and bringing your feet hip distance apart or even slightly wider, and we're just going to do some swings. Okay, so swinging from left to right, right to left, and just giving your kidneys a gentle pummel as you swing through. Remember to swivel through the feet and just allow the body to rotate as you swing from one side to the other. So because we're doing quite a strong hip opener full body workout, it's good to get the body nice and warm, our joints lubricated. Okay, just a couple more. And coming back to center. Now what we're going to do is you're going to bring the arms up towards the ceiling, okay? Having a micro bend in the knees, so being really light in the lower body, so arms up. And then as you rotate your hips forward, you're going to release your right arm forward and then swing all the way through, coming back up. So this is a really nice way to get the body warmed up quickly. So swing through. Doesn't matter how you look, don't try to think about it too much. Just get some movement through the body, get it energized. Once more. And then we're going to go in the opposite direction. Now, arms up. This time it's your left hand that comes forward, the right hand comes behind. Rotate through the hips, bend the knees, circle all the way through. Remember to bend the knees as you come through. Once more. Shake it all out. Okay, so standing up tall, we're just going to spinal roll through. So start to draw the chin towards the chest, and then the tip of the head just roll through, rounding the shoulders, one vertebra at a time, micro bend in the knee. And just rolling all the way down, holding it here, and let spinal roll back up. The tailbone heads down first, the lower back, the middle back, and the upper back. The head's the last thing to come up, all the way up with the arms. Gentle back arch, activate the glutes. Release hands down to heart. Okay, inhale up for me. And this time we're gonna dive through. So just bring the palms towards you, rounding through, folding all the way through. Coming down, holding it here. And then spinal rolling back up. Circle all the way up. Gentle back arch. Hands back to heart. Okay, so we're going to start now. We're going to start with a salute. So we're going to come to the front of the mat. Bring the big toes together. So inhale, let's circle the arms up. Now before we come into a gentle back arch, I'd like you to reach up to the sky, activate your inner thighs, lift through the pelvic floor, draw the hips forward. And as you exhale, just fold forward, swan diving down. Hands come onto the shins or on the floor. Inhale up into number 7, tilt the body forward slightly. Exhale, bend the knees, stepping your left foot back, grounding that left knee. Inhale up. Exhale, hands to the floor, tuck the toes under, step it back into plank. Release the knee, slowly drawing the body to the floor. Inhale up into mini cobra. Release the shoulders, exhale down, tuck the toes under, push up, draw the bottom back, come back up into downward facing dog. Readjust the body here, so just keep the heels high off the floor to begin with. Lift that tailbone up towards the sky. Draw the chest back towards the thighs, look between the legs. Release the heels to the floor. Bend the knees, you're going to jump or step the feet to the front of the mat. Fold forward. And then very slowly, spinal roll up. Inhale all the way up. Gentle back arch. Hands back to heart. Flow through that again. Inhale up on the other side. Gentle back arch. Swan dive down. Inhale to number 7. Tilt the body forward. Exhale, release the hands, stepping all the way back with your right foot. Release the knee. Inhale up, low lunge. Reach up. Exhale, release. Hands to the floor, tuck the toes under, step back into plank. Release the knees, bend the elbows, gradually releasing body down. Inhale up, mini cobra. Exhale down, tuck the toes under, push up, draw the bottom back, coming into downward facing dog. This time release the heels to the floor. Bend the knees, jump forward, coming into this forward fold. Just draw the body forward. If you like, have a micro bend in the knees. And slowly spinal roll up. Inhale, circle all the way up. Gentle back arch, hands to heart. Okay, flow through this. Inhale up. Exhale, swan dive down. Number 7, straight leg, straight back. Release, hands to the floor, step back with that left foot, hands to the floor. Release, knees to the floor. Inhale up. So this time, lunge deep for me. Keep the toes tucked under, tailbone tucked under. Hands directly above the shoulders, activate the fingers. Just have a quick look at the knee, it's not bypassing your ankle. Release the hands to the floor. Release the top of the foot on the floor. Rotate this foot to the outside, come down onto the elbows. Hold it here. Breathing deeply, just allowing the hips to open up, knees working away from the body. Breathing deeply. Okay, hands return to the floor. Foot, sole of the foot on the floor. Come back into a high lunge. Keep the chest on the thigh. Float the arms out. Be really strong in that back leg. Rotate that hand under. Right arm lifts up to the ceiling. Lift out of the palms, out of your shoulders. Release the hand to the floor, step back into plank. Hold it here. Release the knee. Release the upper body. Inhale up. Mini cobra. Relax back down, tuck the toes under. Push up. Downward facing dog. Bend the knees. Jump or step forward. Folding forward here. Slowly let's circle the arms up. Gentle back arch, hands to heart. Okay, inhale up. Gentle back arch, swan dive down. Okay, inhale, hands to floor or shins, number 7. Exhale, release, hands to the floor. You're going to step back this time with your right. Release that right knee. Inhale up. Hold it here. Exhale, release. Walk that feet out. Rotate that foot to the side. Hands to the floor. Slide this leg back. Keep it in line with your hip. Slowly come down. Holding it here. Lengthen out through the spine. Breathing deeply, feeling that stretch through the hips. Inhale, come up. Tuck the toes under, walk the feet back. Okay. Keep the chest onto the thighs, float the arms out. Pressing into that back heel. Rotate that hand under, directly underneath the shoulders. Keep your hips lifted. Left arm raise up towards the ceiling or towards the sky in this instance. Release the hands, step back into plank. Okay, come all the way down. Lowering the body. Inhale up into full cobra this time. Relax the shoulders. Draw the bottom back. Coming into child's pose. Breathing deeply here. Tuck the toes under, come up to downward facing dog. Lift that tailbone up to the ceiling. Bend the knees. Jump or walk to the front of the mat. Folding forward here. And inhale, circling all the way up. Gentle back arch, hands to heart. Okay, inhale up. Okay, so as we exhale, take the arms out. You're going to step all the way back with your right foot. Okay, so let's realign, readjust the heels. So we're going to float the arms out in line with the shoulders. Keep the shoulder directly stacked above your hips. Tuck the tailbone under, work the shoulder blades away from the spine. Look over your left shoulder, just bend that left knee. Holding it here. Try not to draw the body forward, keep the shoulders directly above your hips. Okay, then we're gonna cartwheel down. Hand comes to the inside of that foot, other arm reaches up. Breathing here. We're going to return the hands to the floor. You're going to rotate that left foot 45 degrees. Come down, toes activated, palms out. Hold it here. And we're going to release to the floor, hands to the floor, draw the body weight, shift it over to the other side. Hold it here, arms out, nice and lengthened in the spine. toes activated towards the sky. Release the hands. Draw the weight back to center. We're going to swivel your right foot forward. Okay, release that left heel. Inhale, come up. So we would have switched side now. So just realign your ankles, your heels. So have them lined up, arms out in line with the shoulders. Have your shoulders directly above your knee, hips, and then just bend the knee. Coming into this warrior two, really nice and strong here. Reach out through the hands. Okay, be really strong in the legs. Okay, cartwheel down. Hand comes to the inside, other arm floats up. Look up towards the hand. Okay, inhale, come back up. We're going to close off that foot. Interlace the hands from behind. Draw the shoulder blades together. Fold forward halfway. Reaching the arms up towards the sky. Shoulder blades working towards each other. And let's release the hands, bring it directly underneath, lift up. Okay, so you're gonna basically, you take the feet a little bit wider if you wish. You're gonna walk your hands over to the left foot, take a hold of that left of the calf. Your right hand takes a hold of the ankle. Draw the chest towards the thigh. Holding here. Slowly come up. Walking over to your right foot. Right hand takes a hold of the calves. Left hand takes a hold of the ankle. Draw that chest in. Breathing. Slowly come back. Okay, you're going to rotate the heels in now. We're going to come into like a goddess pose. Slowly come up. It's nice and warm here in the sun. Okay, so get this hips nice and open. Draw the knees out. So rather than overarching through the lower back, tuck the tailbone under. Bring your index finger thumb together, holding here. Okay, inhale, we're going to relax, palms together. Exhale, release back down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Coming down a little bit further each time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Hold it here. Hands to heart. Release the hands to the floor. Walk the feet in. Okay, from here, just bend the knees, draw the body forward, allow the arms to dangle, and then just ragdoll from side to side. And very slowly coming into this squat, coming into sitting. Okay, so coming down into this nice seated position, we're gonna extend your right leg out, drawing the left heel into your perineum. Okay, inhale up with the arms. Now as we exhale, just fold over to that extended leg. Your left arm extends over the ear. Now rotate that shoulder blade towards the back of the room. Holding here. Keep your ear close to the arm. Feel that deep stretch through your waist. Activate the toes. Inhale up. And exhale, twist. Your left hand wraps behind. twist comes from the waist. Keep your shoulders level. Look over your left shoulder. Back to center. Okay. Bend the knee here. Let's take a hold of the feet. Extending it forward first. And then you're just going to reach it out. Sit up nice and tall. Float this arm out. Lift up. Bend the knee. Top of the foot comes onto the floor beside the body, not sitting on the heels though. So inhale up, hands come behind. Interlace the fingers, exhale, side bend once more. This time your right hand takes a hold of the knee. Draw that left elbow up and away. Breathing deeply. Slowly come up. Release. Okay, so you're going to switch the legs around. Extending your left leg out. Readjust the sit bones if you need to. Draw the heel into your perineum. Inhale up. And exhale. Folding over to that extended leg. Right arm reaches over the ear. Draw the shoulder blade up. So get this broadness out through the chest without flaring through the rib cage. Activate your toes up towards the sky. The back of the knee working down towards the earth. Breathing deeply. Inhale up. Exhale. Twist. So your right hand wraps behind. Sit up tall. Keep the shoulders level. Slowly come back to center. Bend this knee. Draw this foot back. Okay, so readjust the body if you need to. That way you're not lifting up through the sit bones. The sit bones are level to the mat. Inhale, interlace the hands behind the back of the head. Okay, broaden out through the chest. Exhale, fold over to your left. Now your left hand takes a hold of your right knee. Folding a little bit deeper. Draw that shoulder blade back, elbow up and back. So you can either look up, look forward or down, whichever is most comfortable for your neck. And slowly come up. Draw this foot forward. We take a hold of the feet. Both hands extend first. Lift up tall. Take this leg out, arms out. Lift up. Release. You're going to extend both legs out now. So just bringing it as wide as is comfortable for you. Sit up nice and tall to begin with. Work the back of the knees. The heels to the mat, toes activated towards the sky. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, hinging from the hips, you're going to come forward. So you can walk your hands directly forward or take it to the side and just draw the body folding forward here. Breathing deeply. Slowly come up. Slide the hands in. Take a hold of the back of the knee. Draw the soles of the feet together. And just popping the knees up and down. And slowly just coming into cross-legged position. Sitting here, closing the eyes. We're just going to rest the hands, palms upwards onto the knees. Your fingers are softly curled, tilting the chin towards the throat, lengthening out through the body. And just watching your breath now. Link up with the breath, breathing deep into the abdomen. So let's do some mantra breath work before we come onto the mat. On the inhalation, we'll quietly meditate upon the mantras Om, Hari Om. As we exhale, we'll say out loud Om, Hari Om for the full outward breath. Take a deep breath in, saying the mantras quietly in the mind. Om Hari Om. Breathe in. Om Hari Om. Doing this at your own pace. Om Hari Om. Two more. Om Hari Om. Last one. Om Hari Om. And then just very slowly, let's make our way onto the mat. We're going to move into some relaxation. So if you'd like, you can start with the soles of the feet together, drawing the heels close to the perineum. With the arms, you can actually just draw it over the head. Just allow the shoulder blades to relax. Once again, just focusing on the breath. Breathing deep into the abdomen. Relax all your facial muscles. Relax the shoulders. Relax your arms and palms and fingers. Relaxing your upper back, your middle back, and your lower back. Relaxing your hips, your buttocks. Relaxing the thighs and the knees. Relax your calf muscles and your ankles. And if you'd like, you can extend the legs out long, separating the feet nice and wide, and just relaxing the toes, from the big toes right through to the little toes. Relax your entire body now. Just taking a quick scan of the body and just observe how the body's feeling. Are there any parts of the body in which we're still holding some tension? If there is, breathe deeply into that area. And as you exhale, release it all go. So if you find that the mind starts to drift when you're in the Savasana position, just very gently be aware that the mind has drifted, but bring that focus back onto your breath. And very slowly start to wake up the body by moving the fingers and the toes. Hug one knee into your chest at a time. Hug both knees in. Gently rock from side to side. Take a big stretch, reach out through the arms and the legs. And relax, roll over onto one side into recovery. And when you're ready, make your way up into sitting position. And we're going to finish the class off with some kirtan meditation. We use the mantras Chaitanya, Nityananda. Nityananda, Nityananda.
Thank you everyone for joining. Hope you enjoyed the session. Namaste. We'll see you next time.